Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Have you ever been trading and then all of a sudden the price action just takes off and it's because of news and you thought you would remember when the news was, but you get so enthralled into trading that you lost track of time and you missed it. And you were in a trade and the news come out, it spiked the opposite direction and you lost several $1,000s instead of making. The luck of the draw is that it goes the opposite way. So we would always announce the news in the Discord, and sometimes we'd forget or whichever, because we would get tied up into trading. So I decided to make an indicator that would show the news events. So this is a 5-minute chart, and it's just going through and showing the news. So just to give you an idea, the green ones are less, I guess, less of news that would come out that would make any kind of change. And then you have the orange, which is a little bit more news that would be more volatile. So this would be less volatile, the green. Orange would be more volatile. And then red would be extreme volatile. So like tomorrow we have CPI. That's at 8:30. So if I open this up, you'll see right there at 8:30 Eastern time, you have the CPI, and this is going to be rocking everything. But we have a lot of news before that. All night long, we're going to have news. And as we have these little news events, these are less volatile, like I said, in the green. The orange is going to be a little bit more than usual. But it pops up on your chart. It's automatic. You don't have to look for anything. And as you do this, you can pick how many days ahead that you want it to go. I think we have it on 5 days by default. So today would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we'll stop there. Of course, we can't go any further. But the next 5 days, we're going to be able to look at the news. So if you put this on a 5-minute chart, you can see further along. So whenever you're trading, this will allow you to see what's coming up. And you would know what the news is. You would know how volatile that it probably is going to be. Like I said, the green is less volatile. So you're not going to probably be interfered with your trading much. If it's going in one direction, it's probably going to continue to go that way. If it is the orange, it is something you might want to think about getting out or tighten up your stops or so forth in order to be prepared. If it's red, in my opinion, you just stay out of the news. Give it about 3, 4, 5 minutes after this and then hop back in and then trade it. So this is a very good feature for our Ninja Suite users. And as you can see, it tells you what it is. And of course, the more time you go back, you can start reading. And when you have this on a lower time frame chart, then you'll be able to see these spread out a little more. It works really well. The users in the group have really enjoyed having it. Instead of calling out everything, all they have to do is just put this indicator on there. This updates off of my website every hour is what it updates. So if they change the news or whichever, then this will automatically update it and post the news on there. It's a really good idea to have. It's included free with the Ninja Suite. And we have 2 prices on the Ninja Suite now. If you go to spymoneyllc.com, go to the Ninja Suite. When you click on that, you'll come down here, you'll see that you can lease the bots and the indicators together, or you can just do the indicators. The majority of the people that we have lease the indicators only because I teach how to manually trade. And we use one that's called the Trader strategy right now that's working really well. People are going from not making money to actually making a lot of money. One person had some profits they posted that were like around 9,000, I think it was, on one account. So a lot of the profits coming through has really helped them out. The bot will trade this strategy. So if you just cannot pull that trigger, this bot will trade that strategy. So if you want both, you can click on this. At the time of this recording, both of them is $1,300. It's only $900 if you want the indicators. With that, down here, you have the 6 bots that comes with on the stealth, and you also get these. So you're getting 11 bots with the auto trading bots. There's different ones. People have their different strategies that they like to try and like to trade. So it just depends on what you want for what you can turn on. All of these bots are included in the auto trading bots. If you do the indicators only, then these are the indicators that are available right right now. We have a chart trader coming soon. I don't have it on yet. It's in beta version, and I'm testing it out to make it good. It will have bracket orders, a one-click bracket order, which is something that I don't know of anybody that has. But that part actually works right now. It's doing really well. Bracket orders work really well when you're trading the trender strategy too. So all of these indicators are included. As I make more, we add more, and they are automatically included. And then the add-ons and drawing tools. We have the Spy Money Trade Copier, and this will trade as many accounts as in your NinjaTrader when you sign on. If you have 100 accounts, it'll trade 100 accounts. Then you have the toolbar. The toolbar works really well, and just to give you an idea of what that is, it's right here. This toolbar right here, and then you can change how you want it to show. So you can add more or delete more, whichever. So these are the standard ones that I use all the time. And then we have the drawing tools. We have a automatic channel, so as the price moves, the channel will adjust to that, and that helps you know your direction better. You can also manually move it and put it where you want, and it'll stay there. We have Fibonacci retracement tool. This tool, I've designed it where it will show the pullbacks, and I teach how to use that. So if the price is going up, we can almost pinpoint exactly where it's going to pull back to. It's really close. It does a real good job. We have the Spy Money Head and Shoulders drawing tool. I don't really use this much, but it is available. Frequently asked questions, you can go through here. There's a lot of questions I get. If you read through this, you will probably get all of your answers that you are looking for. If not, come up here, go to Contact Us. When you click on that, fill this out, and if you need to talk to me, I'm happy to call you. Just put your phone number, put in your information as far as the time that is best for you. I'm on Eastern Standard Time, so if you would put it in that time frame, that would help me out and to know when to call you. And if I can, I'll call then. Usually I trade in the mornings, London session. I trade Asia and London. That's usually where I trade. I usually do not trade the U.S. The U.S. is very volatile. It's hard to get with your stops. And I found it easier to trade London and Asia. So if you have any questions that you just want to ask me, you can put them in here, and then I will go ahead and answer them back as best I can. Funded accounts. Our system works on the funded accounts. We have 2 here right now. I'm gonna add a 3rd one, and it's actually, in my opinion, better. The only thing I don't like about it is you can only have 1 account. You can't have multiple accounts. But in my opinion, it is better than both of these 2. And the entries are good. It uses CQG data, so you don't have any rhythmic overfill errors. Rhythmic is just with Apex. It's just every day they're having issues. Today, slippage was just outrageous. The data feed coming in was not good at all, and it was just bad. A lot of people messed up their accounts today. And last Friday, they had serious issues with Rhythmic, and a lot of people blew up accounts on that, and it was mainly because of the Rhythmic. Some of the accounts, Apex reversed back till Thursday and started their accounts over. That tells me that they have serious issues there. It's with the Rhythmic data, and UProfit uses that Rhythmic data as well. Usually don't have as many problems with UProfit. I'll give them that. They seem to have their data feed under control better than Apex. Apex has got some serious issues with that. This other one that I'm going to announce tonight does a lot better, and it if they would go to multiple accounts, that would be the only one I refer. It's just that much better. Payout is daily. You trade 10 days, and then once you pass the 11th day, if you make money, you can pull the money out every single day. You don't have to wait, and that's important. No monthly fees either. There are some coupons down here. Actually, UProfit is 40% off right now. I need to change this. It's 40% off until the end of the month. And Apex is 80% until the 21st of March. So I need to change the dates on this. I'm a little bit behind on that. So it does work with the funded accounts. Try those out. See what works for you. Once you get signed in and pay for your lease, you'll come to this site. You can download the full products right here. So whenever you click on that, it's going to open up, and you have the auto trading bots and you have the indicators. So if you choose the indicator only, this is the only one you'll see. You won't see that one. And when you click on this, it opens up, and I'll just show you real quick. You come in here, it tells you exactly what you need to do. You also get my workspace. So the workspace that I use to trade on, you get it. It's included. The indicator products import, you click on this right here, it downloads it. You can see here, this is the last one that I did, March the 12th. All step-by-step instructions. The Ninja Rinko bars, if you want those, I don't even use those anymore, but I do include them. And then the time frames, these are the time frames that I use on my trading, and so you can download this and it gives you instructions how to do that. ATM strategies, all these ATM strategies that I use, which is well, I can't see them there, but all the ATM strategies you see in the chart trader that I use are included, and the only thing you have to do is just follow instructions to import them. So pretty easy. These are the instructions for it. And if you come back, we go back into, say, the live stream videos. If you come in here, and these are recordings that we have done in the past. There's a couple pages. The last two are really the better ones. This one right here is actually this one and this one are the two that work, in my opinion. Probably the best strategy we have is these two right here. So if you watch this one, and you could be trading in a matter of a day or so, depending on your learning ability. But usually most people that watch these are trading sim within a day and live within 2 days. That's usually what they're doing. So those work really well. So there's our live stream videos. We have the trading strategies. When you go in here, there's pictures and so forth to show you the different strategies. And we have videos on how to use the indicators and so forth. So there's a lot of information in here. It's overwhelming to a lot of people, but what I do is I tell people just go to these live stream videos, those two, watch those, and get started on that, and then you can always learn the other stuff later. But if you just learn these two, you can get the possibly making money immediately. And as far as the setup instructions, we'll go over that, how to set up NinjaTrader. Most of this is in the bots that you'll need. And then your machine ID, if you come in here, it's going to be a different one. So let's just say the indicators. All three of these are the same. But if you go in here, this tells you how to set up your machine ID. So it tells you all that. You come down here, you put your machine ID, click submit, restart NinjaTrader, and it's working. It's that easy. And it ties right into it. If your machine ID messes up, you just come back in, click another one, and it will overwrite your old one. It only allows you to have one machine ID per user. So, but if you do have a VPS and a laptop or so forth, or a work computer, you can change it as often as you want. But it is tied to your account, so it won't let you put in someone else's. It's only for you. So once you do this, then it will work for you. And I think that is all. Most of the questions I get are on this. There are some other things in here. We do have a VPS, and I've got a page on my site for that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the marketing started on this. But we do offer VPS. It's $85 a month currently. Our servers are located in Chicago, so it's quicker entries. I trade off of this every day. It works perfect. I have no issues with it. You can also do the P&L Excel worksheet. This is free. You can get that on the website. And you click on that, and when you open it up, it'll give you the download for it. We have the live training courses and so forth. There's a lot of things in here that you can get. For the most part, with the Ninja Suite, you're going to get from machine ID all the way down to here, and then you're going to get the NinjaTrader 8 tips and tricks, and you're going to get the Excel worksheet. That is what comes with the Ninja Suite. But if you have any questions, like I said, go up here to the contact, fill that out, let me know. Be more than happy to help you. Again, if you go into the Ninja Suite, click on that. There are the two leases now. This one's $1,300 that's up right now, and this one's $900. Most people do the $900 lease because they want to learn how to manually trade, and that's what we teach. So if you scroll down, you can see all the indicators. You get every bit of this with the indicator package. You get all of this down here. With the bots, you get the bots included with the indicators. You also get the add-on drawing tools with both of them, and you also get the Discord and the live training. And we're doing a live training tonight at 8 o'clock. That is about an hour and 45 minutes. So if you get signed on with the lease, from now until then, you'll get an invite so that you can go ahead and join the live stream tonight. So we're going to go over the trender strategy. We're going to show how it works, what we use with it, and maybe that will help you get a jump start and start trading tonight. If you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate it. Looking forward to working with you.